how are you? Welcome to shamisen-lessons.com. Today I will introduce the compatibility. So just scroll all the way down and select compatibility test. Note that you don't have to log in to use this function. Okay, so now I'm using Mac Mini, and input device and output device selection process is different between Apple PCs and Windows. So I will make another video for Windows. Before starting, we have to select the output device and the input devices. And output device, in this case, I'm using HDMI video recorder, so the output might be output is 3D TV in this case. But usually you use external headphones or built-in speaker. Okay, and for input selection, you have to click this sound settings here, and you will see the output device and the input device. So click input and decide which input device you use. In this case, I have two webcams. One is FHD webcam and the other one is Q2 and 4K webcam. And I will choose Q2 and 4K here because it has stereo microphones. And in this device, I cannot control the input level, but this device has built-in, the physical gain knob, so I will use the physical gain knob. And if I choose FHD webcam, this device doesn't have a gain control, so I have to adjust input volume here. Okay, now Q2 and 4K, and so close this alert. Okay, now you are asked to allow microphone and video camera. Just allow it. So we can choose two video. One is, in this case, FHD webcam, and another one, you can select the same camera, but it's meaningless. So let us choose another one. And audio input. In this case, all of them are listed, but actually I can use right now is Q2 and 4K. And press OK. Now we have two video. This is FHD webcam, and this one is Q2N. And so you can see the input level here. Okay, and it looks like a little bit too low, but the sound from the instrument is sometimes louder than conversation. So I need to speak up or close to the microphone when I'm speaking. Let me play some Sanshin. Please note that Sanshin is less louder than shamisen. Okay. Okay, I'm not a shamisen player, I'm a guitarist, so I just used some guitar phrases. So this is the most important part. And I will explain the other part, other tests. uh, on the top there's a your system info, and this is just to confirm your time zone is set properly, and language of your web browser is set properly. And the next test is a speech to text translation. Let's start this. I'm not a English native speaker, so please do not expect my English is fully recognized. And wait some time and you will see. Yes. And so that is translated into Japanese language. Okay, you may not understand Japanese language, but actually the instructor will see this text. Sometimes the translation system is not perfect and just skip some part. That's okay, because this is a free translation, and in the actual lesson we use paid API, and the translation and speech recognition is much better. Okay, now it's 5 minutes limit, and I will do it again by reloading this page. Let's start compatibility test again, and at the same process. So this time I will just use one camera. Okay. Sometimes it takes some time. It's active. Okay, let's start speech recognition again. Okay, yeah, it's better than last time. No, I mean last time. Alright, let's stop the speech to text. Because the resource is limited, please do not abuse. And finally, there's a network test here, and it's self-explanatory. Then just press start. So the test is from your web browser to the server located in Tokyo, Japan. And of course, I live in Japan, so the speed and round trip time is much better than yours. So the speed is not very important. Maybe 10 megabit per second or more is just enough. And ping is round trip time, estimated round trip time, and this is 27 for me, but actually you may see 200 seconds or something like that. Alright, that's all for the test. So in this test, we checked the browser setting and devices, camera and audio, and so you can listen to your own voice. And even you can record, select a video source and just record and speak sometime something and stop. Okay, and you can download it by pressing the export, and maybe this one. Record and speak sometime something and stop. Alright, that's it. Now I use Windows 10 laptop. So before starting, you need to open this microphone input level adjustment window. This window is probably very deep in the setting, so I will explain how to get to this window. Okay, first choose speaker icon and press right click and find Open Sound Settings. Then you will find the input. Now I'm wearing a headset, so the microphone is not a built-in microphone. It's a microphone of the headset, and I will use the built-in camera. Okay, then, so now I have only one microphone from the headset, and open device properties, and you have a volume here. So this controls the input level, but this is not enough. Sometimes it's not enough. There is additional device properties here, and choose levels. So this is the window we want to use, and just to close the bigger window and keep this window open. Now let's start compatibility test. The operation is very similar to macOS version, but the difference is audio mic input gain. So just press OK and let's start. Your system info is similar, and this time the browser's setting is language is Japanese. So okay, I will show how Japanese will be translated into English in this case. So first we choose video camera, and in this case I have only one built-in camera here. So, and the audio input. So there are three cameras listed, but actually the same audio, same microphone. And press OK, and camera and audio now works. So what I'm speaking is and the peak is minus 12 decibels, and it's okay. But how about this when I play something? If it is too loud, we have to reduce the gain. Yeah, it's okay. Maybe the talk is too loud. So let's turn down the boost here. Now it's plus 12 and maybe 0. Okay. And let's start speech to text from Japanese to English. はい、皆さんこんにちは。shamisen-lessons.com です。こんな感じで、はい、三味線のチューニングですね。はい。In this case, shamisen is a Japanese word, and it's translated correctly into shamisen. So next time I will connect another webcam. Now we can use two webcam. Now we can use external webcam for the video one, and integrated camera for video 2. And select audio from this microphone, I mean the headset microphone or webcam. And I choose webcam this time. So this is the sound from webcam. I mean, or on Windows, you can switch microphone this way.はい、スピードテストは Mac の場合と同じですので、もう説明しません。はい、ではどうも視聴いただきましてありがとうございました。では、良い一日を過ごしてください。